Grooming is the most essential and honestly the easiest way to look 10 times more attractive. Today, I'm going over this quick and easy grooming routine that you could use to essentially just improve your life. We're also going to be getting help from today's video sponsor, MANSCAPED. This Chairman Pro is literally the best grooming tool that's essential to every guy, and it's quite literally all that we need. Okay, so we obviously have to start in the bathroom. First step is going to be the facial hair. If you want to look your best, you have to control your facial hair. Now, I used to find this to be so tedious and annoying, but if you have the proper tools, like this one from Manscaped, it is so easy to take care of your facial hair, no matter what type of facial hairstyle that you want to go for. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a beard. As many times as I tried, it's not there yet. So right now, I'm going clean shaven. So with the Manscaped Chairman Pro, I don't need to attach anything, but it does have tools for stubble or any preferred facial hair length. So this is what I'm working with right now. I try to shave at least 2 to 3 times a week, depending on how fast it's growing. Also, if I have to do anything. Like I said, you want to look your best no matter where you're going. I have a lot of stuff to do this week, so right now is the perfect time to start shaving. My first step is to wash my face. Now, when I'm washing my face, I want to lather warm water around my face. This just kind of makes your face ready and makes the facial hair a lot easier to shave. So that's exactly what I did. Now, if you like shave gel or shave cream, right now is the perfect time to use it. For me, warm water is enough. From here, I just grab my Chairman Pro. Now, this is perfect whether you're someone who shaves daily or prefers a little bit of scruff. This is quite literally the most essential item that you will need. Turn it on. You can see exactly where your battery is at with the LED display. It even has a really cool animation. These are just small details that I really appreciate. And from here, it is so simple to get a clean and easy shave. It has a 4-blade system to make sure it is as close as possible without causing any irritation, and it glides so smoothly over your skin. And because the blade head is able to pivot, you don't have to do much. You literally just have to move back and forth and allow the Chairman Pro to do all the work. Look, I've used so many different products. This one is hands down the best one because of how easy it is and how well it works. My best tip is just to make sure that you maintain even pressure throughout your entire shave to make sure that your facial hair is even and smooth. And that's literally it for the shave. It took less than 3 minutes and I have a really close shave. No cuts, no razor burns, literally no irritation whatsoever. And that's why it's so important to have the right tool. Now, most of you guys are young, so you're probably thinking you're just good, but don't be gross. Clean the bathroom. In fact, the Chairman Pro makes it really easy to clean. The blade is attached with magnets, so it makes it really easy to pull off. Clean it, and then you can put it right back. You can also rinse away the remaining hair. It's waterproof, so you're completely good. The design itself, it's sleek, modern, and everything has a purpose. The design makes it very easy to hold. It's incredibly light. It moves to give you the perfect shave, and it has a nice little light to make sure that you are being precise with your shave. Again, this is the easiest and best tool you could have in your grooming routine. Everything is going to be linked in the description. And look, you can't forget about the rest of your body. So that's exactly why I also carry a lawnmower. This makes shaving the rest of your body really easy. So I like to be as clean shaven as possible. And again, this tool helps me do that. Now you can definitely decide what you want to keep and what you want to get rid of. So for me, I don't like arm hair. Luckily, I don't grow too much, but if I do have a little bit, I'll shave that off. I hate armpit hair, so we're going to shave that off as well. And then chest hair, happy trails, anything around there, and I mean everything around there, we are going to get rid of as well using this. So I do got to say the lawnmower is the item that I've been using the most from Manscaped. I've been using this one for years now. In fact, this is what introduced me to Manscaped and showed me how good this company truly is. Since this is waterproof, you could do this in the shower if you wanted to. I do this above a trash can just so it makes the cleanup process easier, but I've never been nicked using this, so I'm confident whenever I shave. Like I said, armpits, forearms, chest, anywhere. I've never been cut, and having this item with you makes your grooming routine so much easier and much more efficient. So again, my entire body would still take me less than 5 minutes. And now we're pretty much done in the bathroom. And now you're completely clean shaven, probably look a lot better. If you've been working out, shaving your forearms, shaving your chest, these are great ways to make yourself look leaner and show off the muscle that you've been working so hard for. Now I will say, I don't shave my legs. My legs just get way too hairy. It's super annoying. So I personally just let that be. If they do get too long, I will trim it down. The lawnmower does have extensions that you could add on to that, but that one's entirely up to you. And as far as the rest goes, of course, just get haircuts when needed, pluck your eyebrows when you want to, cut your fingernails. This is also completely obvious, but grooming doesn't have to take a long time. Like I said, when you have the right tools, it's super easy, and there is no reason why you should skip out on this and not be looking your best. Everything that I use is going to be linked in the description. Thank you again to Manscaped for sponsoring today's video. Other than that, I'll see you in the next one.